Hi, we're here back again with Ray Amico. Ray, tell us what you've been doing and what you're going to be doing, man.
I spent the previous year as the tour manager and tour accountant for the singer Kesha, and then spent the majority of this past year I was doing front of house and tour manager for Jimmy Cliff, and then the majority of the rest of the year with Fiona Apple, getting her back out on the road for the first time.
So you haven't been real busy, you haven't had much going on.
No.
It's a real shame.
It's 10 or 11 months gone from home considered busy.
I'm sorry you've been so bored, man. That stinks.
It's more my family that has to worry about it.
So that's a pretty broad array of
I like diverse. I like the diversity of it. I've been with everyone from Nancy Sinatra to Devo to System of a Down to Zucchero, the Italian the singer, to the Wu-Tang Clan, to Beastie Boys, to David Archuleta from American Idol, to Sublime. I like diversity. I'm foremost a music fan, and I really like working with the diversity of artists.
Now, you think when I'm going out and writing about these shows, I don't really care if the artist sings a half note flat covered in oatmeal,
Right.
as long as they're well lit and in the logistical management of the tour. I mean, I'm looking at those aspects, and to a certain extent, those are the things that count in our industry. But the ethos and the genre of music does actually figure into your end of the logistics.
Totally.
When you're a tour manager and stuff like that.
Totally.
Do you feel bigger and stronger for having been able to wrangle all these diverse kinds of?
The way that I feel about it is one, I started out as a musician on my own. Then I worked into being I was a studio engineer in New York for years, working with A&M Records and so I came from a studio background, a performing background as well, and so from a critical standpoint, I'm very interested in the presentation of my artist, taking their vision, giving them the possibility to do it, helping them do it, and from a critical eye, I really on my production side, because I production manage as well. My presentation, like what am I offering? What am I presenting? And like you said, like listening to something, whether it's slightly out of key that shouldn't be, or like you said, lights facing the right direction.
I mean.
Yeah, the full diversity and to me the full broad presentation of everything.
And with that presentation is. I would like spinach different than I'd like turkey.
Yeah, flavors.
That's right. That's right. So you have to. Along with those different genres come different personality types.
Completely.
Come different, and that's man, that's a great kind of world of cross training.
It also has given me the opportunity, because I'm organizing the tour from a tour manager side or a production manager side, etc. I've play all the instruments, so I know what the musicians are going through. I do front of house sound and monitors, so I know what my audio guys are going through. Being proficient in all the instruments, I know what my backline guys are going through. I owned a trucking business years ago, and so